what's up guys, welcome back to the kshow_6000's channel. I know it's been so long since I made a video, so I'm here back with another video. It's not a normal video, but it's a tutorial video of a finger puppet that I've been made on my short recently. So here we go. And if you don't have a origami paper, then you can just do like this. We can sometimes rage here a bit, but still it makes a perfect finger puppet. And when you have a origami paper, then if you have a whole white page behind, then you should just start, and then you just first of all fold it like this, and then like this. And when you open it, it must look like a Microsoft's logo. And then you just perfectly make it like this. Have a square like this or a diamond, then you go to the white part and then when you have the pointer pointed at the middle, then fold it like this, and then fold it like this, and it should look like a pyramid, and then open it back, and then you should see these 4 lines. You need to just do what I am doing right now. And if it is like a diamond from behind, and some papers are folded, then just fix them. And then if it is like a diamond shape, then you are correct and going with me. And now just follow what I do. And when you have a X in the middle of the paper, then you're correct and still going with me. And then to open the finger puppet, you need to put your 4 fingers, and it will bend up a bit. Then do it like this, so the bends go away. And then I'll make the designs real quick. And then I made another one in my school, so yeah, you can make your own design too. So that's it for today, guys. And thank me later if it worked.